Hey guys, it's the Anita here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So you probably already saw the title of this video, but I have seen these. I can't talk today, Victoria. Get it together. Lately I've been seeing a lot of these. I tried following a blank makeup tutorial and they follow like somebody's makeup tutorial. Like, what am I saying? I don't know. But anyways, I've been seeing a lot of those videos and I tried doing one. I failed. Like, it was bad. It was bad. Like, my makeup came out, at the end, it came out okay-ish. Like, I kind of really liked it in the end. I just kept like going back and forth because I didn't have like the exact palette that they used. And at the end I kind of really liked my makeup, but it was like complicated, and then like I found out like an easier way to do it by like mixing colors and like whatever. Anyways, that's not the point of this video. So I was watching those videos and okay, so I did mine. I didn't like how it turned out, like the overall, like the video. I didn't like it, and I said I was going to redo it, but I got another idea. So, I mean, I know I'm not the best at makeup, like I'm not like a makeup artist or like whatever, but I kind of really like makeup, and I like, it's not that hard for me in a way, so I didn't think that was much of a challenge for me. But one thing I am very, very, very bad at would be this. This right here. I am the worst. I said that in a really weird way. I am the worst at hair. Like, I can't. I will either have it curled like today. This is like second day hair, by the way. So I will either have it like all down and curled, or I take two sections. I go like this and I bobby pin, and that's pretty much it. Like, I decided that it would be more of a challenge for me to do, and I tried following somebody's hair tutorial. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to try it out and see how it goes. I might also fail at it because, like I said, I suck at hair, but also I came up with this idea a few days ago. Like, it's been days that I've been thinking about this, but I never like did a video on it. And then I like searched it up, and like not a lot of people that I've seen have like done a video on it. Now that that's out of the way, I've talked for way too long. So let's get into the hairstyle. Okay, so I'm kind of like a tad bit, like just a little bit really nervous. Just a little bit really nervous. The person that I chose was Wyers because I am subscribed to her since like, I've been subscribed to her since like forever. I love her. I think she's super pretty and she's really talented, and I love her. Like, I love her hair tutorials, even though I can never recreate them, or if I try to, it's like a rat's nest on my hair. So that's what I'm going to try today. And I chose the 5 no heat easy hairstyles. Okay, let's see how this goes. I don't think it's going to end up all that great. Anyways, let's just get into it. Okay, wow, we're starting. Okay, wow.
First bun is the nautical all year round look. This is how my hair air dried, and then flip the hair upside down.
Oh my gosh.
Gather into a high pony and then secure with a thick and sturdy elastic. What I love about buns is if you have some bumps going into the pony, take the tail of a comb and push the bumps up and back to the base of the pony. That will be covered by the bun, and now you're bump free. I also use the tail of the comb to lift the hair in the front for some texture.
I am so beautiful. I already cannot do this, you guys. Is it really that hard to get your hair up? Yes, it is that hard. I don't even have a brush with me. How unprepared am I? So very unprepared. Thank you. I'm so unprepared. Also, I have bangs, but I'm gonna keep them out just for the sake of it. Okay. I think that's as good as this is gonna get. Okay.
Take a small section from out of the pony and twist the rest of the hair lightly and loop around again loosely, pin in place using bobby pins around the base.
That's... Wait. How did... Oh, my hair's too short for this. This looks horrible. Like, can you guys actually see this? Oh my gosh, this is disgusting. How do I... I don't like this. Oh, I kind of did it. No, that looks horrible. It looks better in the mirror.
Take the two ends, and if you have darker hair and you want this knot detailing to show up more, you can play with temporary hair color sprays like the L'Oreal Colorista. I'm using the shade Rose Gold here to lighten up my ends, and then we're going to do a knot inspired by a sailor knot. So first, lay down the first little tie we're going to do, and do this like you're about to tie a shoe, so just cross them over and then pull a little bit, pin the base, and then do this again directly under the first knot.
Okay. Do a knot.
To keep in place, add one more knot doing this the exact same way, and then have bobby pins directly in those knots.
But she said under.
Pin the ends back around the bun, and when the knot is in place, I like to add a bit more of the Colorista, and I think this is really cute, it's different, and easy to achieve.
Wait, she said under. How am I supposed to go? Hold on, girl. One. Okay. Oh, okay, like this. You know what? I'm just gonna do one because my hair is... I can't. Like, do you see this? Do you actually see this? Okay. Okay, well, I gave up on that.
Look 2 is my most worn bun.
Okay.
This one looks great and you can style it in any way. Start with textured hair. This is my third day hair and dry shampoo is needed. I love Batiste dry shampoo. I spray it in, let it sit, and then I start to tousle and give volume to the roots while bringing the hair backwards into a low pony, and I do like to have pieces framing the face that I have cut a little bit shorter.
Sections out to frame her face. I mean, so far this looks not super bad. Oh, my layers are just falling out. How bad does this look?
And then we are going to twist this into a tight ballerina bun. Keep the bun flat as you pin for more of a rosette design.
I can't even do like a simple ballerina bun. How embarrassing is that? Just a tad bit embarrassing, just a little bit. I kind of really like this from the front though. Like I don't even care if the back looks bad. I kind of really like this from the front. I'm living for this right now. I'm living for it. Not the back. I know. I can feel it. I can feel it. It just...
Next up, we have a poofy and piled up bun. This is the bun that I wore to a Revlon event in New York that was requested over on Instagram. Make sure you're following me. And this is the no heat version. So I started with some no heat waves with the twisted method. That is linked in the information button from a previous no heat hair tutorial I did. And then we're going to separate half the hair forwards, and then with the back half, create 2 high ponies. The more you keep these ponytails apart, it will look like space buns, and the closer you pull them together, it will create more like a one bun updo in the end. So we got Baby Spice vibes right now with the pigtails.
Harley Quinn. Oh my gosh, this is like another kind of bad. Like bad on so many levels. We're just gonna, ouch. We're just gonna use these and hope for the best. Also, I don't have those curls, so I don't know if it's gonna turn out different. Probably. Oh my god, I'm looking so adorable. Ow, 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 ow. I'm pulling my hair so hard. Oh, wow. This is my new everyday hairstyle. I love it.
And let's create 2 messy buns. So start securing with bobby pins, and I like to leave the ends out. And this is how I always create buns with nice texture. I don't really have that freedom when you just use elastics. I really like to play with bobby pins.
Oh my god, this is way harder than it looks, you guys. Girl, what? What is going on? Okay, I'm like... Okay. Oh, no, I was gonna say I'm not mad, but I am.
And now take a section from the front and start to mold the 2 buns together by crossing a front section over to the opposite side, laying the hair over the bun, and then just pinning in place.
Kinda similar looking.
Now with the leftover hair, just pin backwards, leaving some curls or texture in the front to frame the face. Seems complicated, but it really is easy, and here it looks cute and messy.
She goes, it looks hard, but it's easy. Okay, girl. Okay. You know what? I'm literally gonna curl my hair. I know I'm probably not supposed to.
And now take a section from the front and start to mold the 2 buns together by crossing a front section over to the opposite side, laying the hair over the bun, and then just pinning in place. Now with the leftover hair, just pin backwards, leaving some curls or texture in the front to frame the face. Seems complicated, but it really is easy, and here it looks cute and messy, but if you actually do curl your hair, I would suggest to use a bubble wand, and it can look really put together and very Rose from the Titanic-esque. If you want to see my looks from New York, make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel, as I'll be posting them over there.
Not super mad at it. I don't know how I feel about it because I kind of don't like it, but I like it. Does that make literally any sense at all? Kind of like it, but I feel like, I don't know if it's the middle or the sides, but I feel like I would have to fix something in order to like really like it. Does that make any sense? Okay, you guys want to see my actual buns? I go like this. I go like this, like this, like this. Woo, ta-da! Let me know if you want me to attempt more hairstyles, because these were just buns. There's like so many other videos that are like updos and like half up, half down do's and like everything. I think me trying to learn how to do hair would be really funny, exhausting, and just bad. I really want to start making like more videos, so definitely let me know if you guys like these types of videos. And I'm so sorry it's been so long. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.